the 22nd of January 2026, so you'll be analyzing synthetic markets, and of course you'll be using Deriv. In case you don't need broker called Deriv, you can check the description. Their link is actually there for us to register an account, and we can of course use that link. Gives you automatic access to all my algorithm, all my trades, for you to see all trade I take and everything I explain here. Remember, if you're copying of the trades, kindly ensure you adjust the loss side to loss side that actually suits you. That said, going straight to today's market, I'll be starting off with volatility 75. 1 second. Actually, yesterday we actually took a short trade on volatility and 1 second of which actually hit our stop loss. So we actually lost that. Why did we take that trade? Now, this was actually our previous level around this zone here. This was the previous level around this zone. So when the market actually moved above this, I think was it here? I think yeah. I can't really remember. I think so, yeah, it was it. When market actually move above the expected market to actually continue with this test, and I think let me go straight to the 15 minutes chart to show you how it actually works yesterday. Okay, good. So when it actually move above this, so we expect it to actually continue on a bullish aspect of it, but then that did not happen. You can see it actually came back and took out our stop loss. So that's that. So today we are still expecting similar stuff. I'm still very much bullish, still expecting the market to actually go bullish. So what I'm expecting today is see for the market to still move into this, activating this, and then continue in the bullish direction. Otherwise, on the short side, we'll only be taking shorts if the market can break below this our low right here, which is going to be below this. So let's go to the one hour time frame. That means below this. That's the only time the ticket of going short. Alright, that's that for volatility 75 1 seconds. So going to the next one, we're going to be the volatility 75 itself. Alright, now we have the chart already of volatility 75. Okay. Just a moment. Alright. Sorry. Just trying to get up something. Okay, good. Now I'm marking the structures, which is we are starting with the H4. Now on this frequency, it has been on the bearish side, even from yesterday. So we see we're actually just going to be going long, short still on it. So except we see a change of structure on the bearish, that's the only time I'll be looking up for trade on this. So we are not really looking for any bullish trade. We're just looking for change of structure still on the bearish aspect. And for now, we really can't. We can actually see it breaking our previous high around this level. So we are not going to take any trade right now on volatility 75. So just keep fingers crossed and see what the market does as the day goes by. That's going to the next one is going to be the boom, and you're starting with boom 500. Alright, going to the H4. Okay. Marking this level, which was actually our previous low some time ago. Are we seeing a continuation of the bearish, or are we seeing the market moving on the long aspect of it? Alright, looking at the candlestick formation here, we really can't confirm any sign of bearish yet. So let's go to the H1 to see if we can see any major confirmation of the bearish. Remember, boom actually has a default movement, which is the bearish side. So we really, for now, we really can't see any confirmation. So let's see. The only time we're looking for a long trade, if the market actually move into this zone, see a minor retracement, they can think of going long on this. Otherwise, a short trade, I don't think I'll be looking for any short trade on boom 500 for today. Alright, that's it. Going to the next one, which is going to be the elder brother, which is the boom 1000. Remember, we have other assets, other synthetic assets, just in this one. You can actually choose to any other asset you're comfortable with. Now, the same thing is actually happening here. You can see it's almost similar to that of volatility 75. It's already moving a bearish, so we're doing it for change of structure on the bearish aspect, not bullish. So we only want to go short on this, even that on the day trade, it has already been on the bearish. And for now, we really can't see any confirmation. So just stay out of boom 1000 for today. Stay out of boom 1000 for today. So going to the next one is going to be the crash, and we're starting off with crash 500. Okay. Thank you, man. Okay, go to the H4. Taking this down, you can see that's been on the long side, broken above this our previous level, our previous high. So now making series of new highs and new lows. Let's see if it's actually likely to continue. I'm not really comfortable with the formation it's actually forming right here. Let's see the 15-minute charts. No, 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 no. I'm staying out of our cash 500 for today. Remember, we do this every single day. So if today there's no trade, that does not mean tomorrow there will be no trade. So tomorrow we'll definitely be dropping another analysis. So since we are staying out of cash 500 for today, let's see cash 1000. If you can see trade opportunities. One sec. Okay, on crash 1000, let's go straight to the H1 to the H4. Still looking up for opportunities. Here is the recent level where the market is likely to respect. Then the low. So the trade opportunity we're looking for today is to see the market actually go, is to see the market move above this our zone right here. So if don't move above this our zone right here, then that means we only wait for a change of structure on the bearish. Remember, we are looking for a long trade only when it moves above this, breaks above this. That's the only time we look for long trades. Break above this, have a retracement, then think of going long. Otherwise, we only wait for change of structure before I can go short on the bearish aspect of it. That said, that's going to be the end of today's analysis, and of course with Deriv. So please and please always remember, if you're copying any of my trades, try to ensure that you adjust the loss side to the loss that actually suits you, and please make sure you don't risk more than you can afford to lose. There is no trade that's actually perfect. No matter how good it is, it can actually still go in the wrong direction. That said, please stay safe, trade safe, and please don't risk more than you can afford to lose.